And what are we making today?
Popsicles.
Popsicles?
For you and me.
Okay. So what do we have here for the ingredients, Naya?
These are blueberries. These are blue.
And what about these? Blackberries?
Blackberries.
And what's that?
That's cranberries.
Raspberries. What we did was we washed all of our fruit and soaked it in vinegar for like an hour, in vinegar and water to clean it. Then we threw it in the freezer. We have blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. We're also gonna add some elderberry syrup. We're gonna add probably about 4 teaspoons so that it can add up to 4 servings because we're gonna have 4 popsicles.
These are elderberries.
Right.
These are blueberries.
And then we also had soaked some chia seeds for about an hour. You can do it for like 20 minutes if you're pressed for time, but we soaked it for about an hour. So have just a little bit of raw honey to add. Good job. Like this. And then you just pour it into the molds.
Okay.
Woo!
Yummy.
And don't worry about the mess. You can kind of just clean it up after you're done. Oh wait, the other way, baby. It's the other side. I do. Leftovers you have, you can kind of just serve it like that, like a smoothie, and drink it. Or if you have more popsicle holders, you can make more. But we're just gonna put these in the freezer and see how they turn out. You ready to put them in the freezer, Naya?
Uh-huh. Put it in the freezer.
Go ahead, take it out.
Oh!
Oh!
Yummy!
Eat it. Is it good?
Yum, yum.
Is it really delicious, Naya?
Uh-huh.
Really like it? Oh yeah. Well, you could try some later, TJ, in a few months. Thanks for watching.
Bye, thank you.